What's going on, everybody? It's Thursday, the 18th. This is the live trading video for today. Let's get into the trades that I was in. If you recall, yesterday I was looking at a Facebook put, and I was looking to get in this morning, but I didn't. And it did sell off slightly. It traded up before selling off. This bar here, this is a 2-hour chart. Every bar is 2 hours of trading. So even though initially it traded down, it traded back up. Now it's selling off. The market is selling off. The AMD put that I was in, I got out of that. I made money on that. I did 100% on that. Let's see. Let's look at. I was in the 81 put. Sold around here right now. It's at $300. And I'm still in NVIDIA. Hold up. Let's go to Dash. Dash, remember I was buying a call based on a weekly, and then the daily gave the signal. But this is a complete loser. It's showing no signs. It might take a pop or a bounce tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. NVIDIA, I'm still in. This line here is where I'm at. I'm in the 490 put. I put in a sell signal to get me out. And right now, this put is at $100. I'm in the 490. Yeah, right now it's at $121. So I got in on this day. Traded up against the position the next 2 days, but it kept giving sell signals, so I remained in it. So I'll get out of this position based on what it does tomorrow. We'll see if it sells off even more. Now, tomorrow is expiration. So basically, this position will either go up more by trading lower, or it will go against me and expire worthless, and I will lose what I put in it, which was $107. Let's see if we got any potential trades today. Today was a nice sell-off day. I'm looking at Beyond Meat. I already said Dash. These green checks indicate a possible buy signal. SNDL, that's one of those Reddit stocks. That's a buy. SPCE. Tilray. Remember, I took a position in Tilray early in the week. It was a sell signal. So that bar would just be an indication to get out if I was still in. But I'm not. So let's look at that chart on Beyond Meat. That's the buy. Once I look at the signals, I then look at the options to see if it's giving me a decent price. And let's see. These checks here indicate my price range, the prices that I'm comfortable with. I'm willing to risk anywhere from $100 to $150 on most of these stocks. Now, stocks like Amazon which are a little bit more expensive, I might go out $200 if I get a signal. So you're going to see sometimes me taking trades on Amazon, Chipotle, Google. You see these contracts are a lot more expensive. So when I take those trades, I might risk $200 on a given position, as well as Tesla too. You can see today's P&L was changing. This is what was realized based on the Tilray. And this is what I'm still long. I'm still long. $100 and something. So, based on the two positions I'm still in, I'm still down $125. But based on what I've made, I'm up for the week. Alright, now, if I take this trade, this will be considered an expiration trade, meaning I only have 1 day. 1 day till it expires. So if I get into this trade and it doesn't move in my anticipated direction, I will lose my entire risk. So I'm just looking at these charts real closely to see if it's even worth it. Like I said, you don't have to take each and every trade. Take the trades you feel comfortable with. But being that this was a strong down day, and I anticipate it continuing, I think I would just pause and not take this trade. Or at least wait till in the morning to that 10 o'clock bar on the 2-hour chart to see if it lines up. Because it's indicating that it may still sell off a little bit more before it goes up. Just like the Facebook did. But I missed this trade because I was asleep, so it happens. Let's look at the NVIDIA. Dash, Dash is just totally, look, this is where I got my buy signal. So, since then, the stock is down 7%. In my position, I was in $100 on that call. And let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is at 510. I'm in the 490. So the put option, the 490 right now is at 115, 122. So I'm gonna wait and see what this does before I even get out. In the morning, if it's down and my call option is up, wherever it is, I'll get out of it. Or I may just ride it out, see what happens. But tomorrow, I'll look at Beyond Meat for a possible expiration trade sell signal. And I'll see what NVIDIA is doing. So, until tomorrow, thanks for listening.